Hi everyone, another video update from the Com Warrior. Right, I've been doing a little bit of tinkering. We have what would look like darn cars. What would look like the SSRG. However, it's not just the SSRG. It's the SSRG FTS. It's had a module added on. Okay. Battery voltage 11.89 at the moment. Seems to go between 11.85 and 11.95. Interesting fluctuations. Been running for 15 minutes. Right. Coil. Nothing else on there. However, you will notice an extra module. Oh, current draw 220 milliamps. It's a Sunday. Go back to bed. Right, the extra module, right, is there. It's an FTS module. What's an FTS module? Feedback to source. It is basically the drive tech from the AMPCS, EPBOG-CS and Vesgen-CS modules. Basically, the back EMF is fed directly back to the main source battery. Yeah, apparently that is impossible, according to a certain well-known person. But that's crap. What is it with cars today? So, it's set up, ready to run. Been going 11.89. I discharged the battery overnight, nice and slowly. So it does have a general tendency to fluctuate around a little bit. Yes, it's only by 0.1 of a volt, but kind of curious. Nothing gets warm. And away she runs. Currently running at 3.3 kilohertz, which I found seems to be an interesting sweet spot already. So there we go. I will keep you updated as to how this goes. This should be quite amusing. Oh, by the way, the SSRG, you might think that's the original chip. It's not. That's the original chip there. It's had a slight firmware modification to run the FTS module. And also I needed a change in frequency range. Oh, and I also changed the default duty cycle when it boots up to 0 for certain reasons that make it easier to diagnose problems if the microcontroller resets. So, running quite nicely. Again, still 11.89. Oh, just to show you the battery. The support charger, you can see the clips there. Basically, it keeps the battery at a reasonable voltage while I'm running experiments. But there's the battery. It's a 40 amp hour car battery. Thought I'd show you that one. And away she runs, still 11.89. So expect an update probably middle of next week, I would have thought. And we'll see how she runs. Have fun, guys. And please, don't argue too much about whether the FTS can actually work. It does work, trust me.